Abusuafo mumye hwe video emra.
Wo yire pam wo America, wo wajimi. Tio, ade ye de lumba sisia no wo face bi wo America wo. Papa she ojina Ghana because he wants to be in Ghana. He is in Ghana because Onwana America ne apam na fie ho. Ontumi kono ankasa ne fie. So why do you sit there to disgrace Lumba's body? Papa she, why do you have to stand there for Akosia say what to disgrace Lumba's? Because Akosia, let me tell you.
Odofo eye Slim Bastard ena ekasai. Ose papa she edi enti na esa otena ho. Ema ye maame Akosia say wa eguda de Lumba efunu hu anim ase. Me be ka kire mo se odofo e. Ye wadamfo ena ye wadamfo. Hwan ene wadamfo mbe ye video bi to ha. Se papa she ene campon wo ma ani amwa Daddy Lumba. Daddy Lumba wu ye nko mbetumi do mo nan asifom asolve sa niema we nyina. But ensan say woman, I don't know what is going on. And into man to me, and to me, and solve us problem we. And kasa up and down, Papa she wo kwa wo benina. And come to me and solve one as some neighbor. And so they say a song, say call to Connie, one a woodia Quaniaba. And says I want to me and for and see from and two man me no for. Yen you Slim Bastard say, wo or bar any deal when ya or the Abagana. The same thing that the Lumba near Kosha say, wa. Ensense mi bi the same thing and a to enu nti amo aba Ghana wa ba na nya oyem e ka nkwa na US wono wo ho but oba tete o de tete unti enu amo abeka Ghana enti Slim Bastard.
Almost every woman away to kwa abrochi, they have something to hide. Me pacho, ask anybody. Almost a man about who hand be a man no enye yedin e do so because omo pe dying, because omo pe benefits, because they think and Akosia going to say I am not going to Ghana. There's something hidden somewhere. A question I mean preventing him because when you were going to marry, you say for better for worse. So what happened to the time there was that storm that was rattling?
And then Slim Bastard said, what happened to that time when that Lumba was sick? Or crowd say, Akosia me kwa Ghana na a hedium betna ha mewu. Sir, German hedium betnam de yaliet na mewu. Into a kwa Ghana and Kwasam Hoyalie. That the Lumba drew Ghana na dear now ye. Into Omana or do any two Musora na say, was see I'm crying to want to me and visited that the Lumba no. Oma Quinda, school ama Quinda, Omania holidays da. Aya nuntino, watchama papa yewu. Na mo twene sere ene abasa mumienti e
that storm that was breaking through that storm that about a shit because Lumba became the eye of the women.
Yeah, what
you do, you pray for such a man. You go behind, you kneel down, you pray for them so that ebia opese or how no nyame nyiri mfina kwan so but because Lumba
and naturally say Slim Bastard and you could see any buying on the or say there's something fishy somewhere and ka asem when you nan kema enti sebi you sebi Daddy Lumba na kwa bodam kwantin kema me Akosia sewa wonya ide oye bia enko fa no every baby a ote wo saate bia no otimu no enfa ni nkofie nkodwale no enfa chen bi kura ntone nan se o ma ni mpie da se sa na si ya kema me Akosia sewa esen ko ye bibisa. But wo ye de ye nya ho ana wanya ho ese wo na obedi kuna enti na wo twen se papa na obewu ansa na wo na ba beko ana adan wan pia ma abra na papa wote ase no no etumi ayi ne ho ano edi enti no wan report Daddy Lumba abra wote ase yaw eni ateti odo fam wo de ebeto Ghana animu a enka Ghana fo beka bia ma enye na papa yi wawu a won tumi ayi ne ho ano ba bia no ena mo twene sere ene abasa momo mani na ho mpanifo aba papa she kempon ene ya friend say hwan biem mu nyina momo mani na abusua panyi ni kwa miata abusua panyi ni commando abusua panyi fried rice moma ma adwene mu emie momo mani na ho na mo nya papa na ayie mani mfiri ho se se Daddy Lumba no so ada no sama twentwen onya ya bi kura no ada because ne wura ho papa e wo niam amoye no na chi no enti